Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about sign condition type of if statement. The sign condition is used to discover whether the value of an arithmetic expression is less than, greater than, or equal to 0. Sign conditions are a shorter way of writing certain relation conditions. Here is the syntax of sign condition type. The arithmetic expression is compared against positive, negative, or 0 Cobol reserve keyword. If you want to check the negative condition, then you can use not keyword. Now let's understand this with the help of some example. In the first example, we have coded if, and after if we have given a arithmetic expression, and after the arithmetic expression we have coded is negative, which are Cobol reserve keywords. Then we have given display statement which will execute if this condition result into true. And then we have ended the scope of if statement with end if keyword. So now if the expression bracket num2 into 10 divided by 50 bracket minus 10 is giving a result less than 0, then this condition will be evaluated as true and display statement will get executed. Otherwise, the display statement will not get executed and execution will move to end if statement. In the second example, we are checking the same condition but in a different way. Here we have given if the same arithmetic operation less than 0. So instead of checking is negative, we are checking whether it is less than 0. And if this result into true, then display statement will get executed, else display statement will get skipped and execution will move to end if statement. With this, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope it has given you a fair idea about sign condition type. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.